So what we have tonight, we have our world premiere of the piece Broncos Right Again. And if you are a continuing band parent, something you will know and love for the next 3 years, Let's Go Band, one of our favorite pieces to play. So our first piece we're playing, Broncos Right Again, was specifically commissioned for the Barrington 220 virtual hybrid COVID class of 2021. So how we came about this is when we were looking for concert music in January for the beginners, we realized that we didn't have all the instruments to play our regular concert repertoire. So Ms. Bartlett reached out to one of her friends who she went to school with, Dr. Ward Miller, and he composed this very awesome piece just for our students. So when this music, if it gets published, it will say on the very top that it was written for the Barrington 220 band program. Some program notes on that piece before we get started from Dr. Miller himself. In January of 2021, I was thrilled to be contacted by the band directors of School District 220 in Barrington, Illinois. They, like all of us, were working hard to continue providing quality music education and performance opportunities for their students during the COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, I was greatly honored when they asked me to write an original composition for their middle school concert bands. With the detailed information they provided regarding their instrumentation and ensemble numbers, I had no trouble finding inspiration for this work. The hard work of these teachers and students to keep making music during challenging times, coupled with the Broncos mascot for their school district, made me immediately picture a pioneering and intrepid spirit. It was that image embodied by these students and their directors that led to the opening notes, leaping ahead to better times in the very near future. Thank you to the band directors, students, families, administrators, and more who support these students in their continued music making. Together, they have worked to ensure that these Broncos will ride again. So, that's close enough to 7. I got a few seconds. We're going to go ahead and get started here. So here is Broncos Ride Again.